Might be frost, I'm not sure. Whatever it is, it's moving in. Again. I'm not...
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southeastern Cecil County in northeast Maryland, northern Kent County in northeast Maryland, northwestern Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Queen Anne's County in northeast Maryland until 11:15 p.m. At 10:12 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Newtown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Kennedyville and Moy Neck around 10:25 p.m., Crumpton around 10:35 p.m., Cecilton around 10:40 p.m., Massey and Millington around 10:45 p.m., Sassafras around 10:50 p.m., Delaney Corner around 10:55 p.m. Severe thunderstorms produce winds of more than 57 miles per hour or hail 1 inch or larger. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties: in Maryland, Cecil, Kent, and Queen Anne's.